आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that the plant growth substances, that's PGS, have innumerable practical applications. Name the PGS you should use to. Right, so these PGS or the plant growth substances are basically the phytohormones or the plant hormones, right, that basically are responsible for the plant growth, right, that leads to the plant growth and the development. So if we discuss the first part here, which basically says that increase yield of the sugar cane, right, so when the sugar cane is sprayed with the gibberellic acid, right, when the sugar canes they are basically sprayed with the gibberellic acid, right, their sugar content increases, right. So for the first part the correct answer is gibberellic acid. Now the next part is that dash promotes the lateral shoot growth, right. So if we talk about the lateral shoot growth, so the for the lateral or the lateral growth, right, cytokinin is involved, right, cytokinin is majorly involved, because if it is not the lateral part, right, if it is an increase in girth or the lateral shoot growth, it's the cytokinin. If the plant has to grow in height, for that auxin comes into role and play a major role in the growth, right. So auxin and cytokinin, they both are the growth hormones, right. So the cytokinin promotes lateral shoot growth. Now we talk about the third part, so cause sprouting of the potato tuber, right. So the effect of ethylene, right, basically effect of the ethylene, which is basically a gaseous hormone, right, it's a gaseous hormone that basically brings about the ripening of the fruits, right. It causes its sprouting, it causes the sprouting of the potato tuber, right. Now the last part that we have, inhibit seed germination, right. So basically inhibition is basically the stress that basically right. So the stress hormone in plants is the abscisic acid, right. Abscisic acid is basically known as the stress hormone or the inhibitory hormone that inhibits all the functions, right, like just such as bringing about the dormancy, right, or inhibiting the growth, development and the germination. So it's responsible for the seed germination, right. So this is the answer for this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।